Hey guys, today is June 2nd, 2017. I'm just gonna do a quick sound check. Hang on for me. One, two, three. One, two, three. So if that second one, two, three is clear, and that first one, two, three was a little bit muffled, then I figured out the sound, like where the sound issue was coming from on the last video. So these numbers, they're just traveling numbers. If you're new to my channel, what that means, traveling numbers, it means they're numbers that are traveling to different states. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to hit every single state, but it just means I have seen them traveling to at least 2 to 3 other states at a minimum. And it can go up to a max of whatever. I don't keep track of that. But if I do see it more than twice or around twice or more, then I make note of it. So these numbers, it's not including today's draw. They have hit in some states today, so again, it does not include today's draw. This is starting on June 3rd, and then I would, at a maximum, again, they're not going to go to every single state, so at a maximum, I would only play them 7 days maximum. And then also, for those of you who are new to the channel, or excuse me, let me go the other way. So for those who have been with this channel for a while, normally on these traveling number videos, I go pretty in depth on some of the pairs and some other things, and I'm not going to go as in depth. Probably, if I do go in depth, it's probably not going to be for another couple months. You guys see like the results. So you're not really seeing like how, like, there's a lot that goes into it when I'm doing those detailed videos. So I really just don't feel like it for June and possibly July. We'll see. But for the traveling numbers for June 3rd, 2016, and then on for a maximum of 7 days, it's 756, 632, 006, and then 543. That 756, I've been seeing it hit exactly like that, 756. And then that second number, that 632, I've seen it mostly hitting as 632, but I've seen it other ways too. So that's pretty much it as far as the traveling numbers. I have gotten a couple questions about, for the new people, well, how do I play your monthly numbers on my video? Do I play all 6 or do I play 1, or how do I go about doing that? So for the new people, and even for those who have been playing a while, I definitely do not recommend, that you're playing the numbers until, I would probably play pairs until you've had at least 2 hits during the month. That way, you're just spending not your money technically. You're spending the lottery's money technically. So, and then one thing that's happening with my monthly number video right now is the numbers are being a little bit chaotic. They're still doing the one up and one down thing, and they're also doing this weird thing now where I'll get like 2 digits, and then it'll be like the mirror, which is very, very, very odd. So that's what I would recommend for that. And then one thing also, I don't recommend you play all 6 numbers, obviously. Once you hit your pairs, then I would just play, maybe one number, until that hits. And then you don't want to play it on both evening and day if your state allows for that. For my personal choice, I prefer the evening. That's just me. You'll have to determine that on your own, to see if that's something that you prefer as well. And then these numbers in front of me here, the traveling video numbers for June 3rd, and then up to 7 days. None of these numbers really pop out to me for like what state they're good for. They're just not really familiar with me. So before you play these, make sure you do double check your states. So the easiest way to really go about it is to go ahead and go back. I would say like at least probably 2 months, possibly more. It's up to you. But what you're looking for, so you're trying to see what numbers are bringing these numbers in. So just this is hypothetical. So let's say, let's go with 006 because that's a little bit easier. For that one, where I would start. So if you go back in your guys' history, like 2 months, for example, what I would be looking for is that 00. So like if you're seeing like a 001, a 002, all the way up until 009, then check and see if 006 is hitting anywhere around that. And if it's not, you're going to have to go back further and then, like 4 months, 6 months, etc., until you're seeing what's bringing that 006. So that's just an example, and then that can get you prepared for, number one, you don't have to play it every day. You can kind of look for the numbers, and then, so let's say it's like 001 that brings in that 006, then oh, okay, so the minute I see this 001 hit, then I know, okay, now I need to play this 006. And that's just an example. So that's pretty much it for right now. I do have to work over the weekend, and I did get a request to help a couple people, one in Florida and then one in Philippines. I might not get to that until probably late Sunday or late Monday, just so you know. All right, so that's it.